how to fix Messenger force closed due to internal error. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to fix Messenger force closed due to internal error. So now, without further ado, let's get started. So here, let's start with the step 1. That is to restart your phone. So simply hold your power button and after that you can just tap on reboot and reboot again to restart your phone. And this will clear temporary glitches and memory issues. And with that, moving forward to the step number 2, that is to clear the Messenger cache. So here simply long press on the Messenger app icon and now here from the pop-up menu, just tap on app info. And now here, once you are inside the app settings page, then simply tap on clear data option which can be seen in the bottom right corner of the screen. And now here from the pop-up menu, just tap on clear cache and confirm it by tapping on OK. But do not clear data unless necessary. And with that, moving forward to the step number 3, that is to update the Messenger app. So simply open the Play Store on your phone and here simply search for the Messenger app, and here if you found any update button available, then simply update the app to the latest version because outdated apps can often cause the internal errors. And with that, moving forward to the step number 4, that is to update the Google Play service. So here you can again open the Play Store and simply search for the Google Play service, and here if you found any update button available, then simply update it to the latest version because Messenger relies on Play service for smooth operations. And with that, moving forward to the step number 5, that is to disable the VPN. So here, if you have enabled any VPN, then simply disable it because internal errors may happen when the data is restricted. And with that, moving forward to the step number 6, that is to force stop and reopen Messenger. So here, simply long press on the Messenger app icon again, and now from the pop-up menu, just tap on app info, and now here in this section, what you can do is simply force stop by tapping on force stop option, which can be seen in the bottom left side of the screen. And here, once you're done with that, you can simply reopen Messenger again, and this will help to reset the app without reinstalling it. And that's it. That's how you can fix Messenger force close due to an internal error problem. And with this, if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.